Today we are going to start Holozoic nutrition in animals, which involves 5 steps. There are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. So now we will discuss one by one that what is ingestion. So taking in big or small particles of food is termed as ingestion, and the organ that is used for ingestion is mouth. The digestion is the breaking down of food particles into simpler forms is called digestion, and absorption is taking up the soluble forms of food into the tissues is called absorption. And what is assimilation? Utilization of the nutrients from various body functions is called assimilation. And what is egestion? The removal of undigested or waste matter from the body is called egestion. So now you are aware of the 5 steps, that was ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Nutrition in amoeba is an example of holozoic nutrition. Amoeba is a microscopic, single-celled organism found in pond water. They live in pond water. They do not have any mouth or digestive system. The outer body surface of amoeba contains very small organs that help them to collect food particles or pseudopodia. Nutrition in the amoeba is holozoic. So now we will see that what is the mechanism of nutrition in amoeba. So we have to discuss that how it get nutrients from the particles. So here you can see in the first step, attachment of the food particle to the amoeba. Here are food particles is just attaching, and in the second step there is formation of food vacuole within the cell. You can see the digested food particle within the amoeba is now known as food vacuole, and in the third step this vacuole is just decomposed with the lysosome. It's fusion of lysosome with the food vacuole, and now when it fuses with the lysosome have some enzyme that digest this food particle into the cytoplasm. Then the waste particles are removed somewhere in the body, and this is how these 4 steps involve in the digestion of nutrition in the amoeba. So now let's see that what are frugivores. Animals that feed on fruits are called frugivores, and sangunivores are the animals that feed on blood of vertebrate animals. For example, female mosquito, that is anopheles, leeches, and vampire bats. And detritivores are the animals that feed on decaying organic matters, for example earthworm. So you have to learn all of this. So now, who is Louis Pasture? Louis Pasture was a world French biologist, and he have a lot of discoveries. Just like he just proved that most infectious diseases are caused by microorganisms, and this was later became as a germ theory. And he was also invented a method to stop milk from getting spoiled. This process later came to known as pasteurization. So all these discoveries get him to be awarded with the Nobel Prize, and he is a French scientist. So now you have to do this, fill in the blanks. You're aware of all of this, and you have to answer these short questions like what is the holozoic nutrition, name the 5 steps involved in the holozoic nutrition. You have to answer these, and you have to submit this to me. Thank you.